Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. Welcome to Fatma Graphics. Today we are here with a brand new video of Photoshop. As you know that we have announced in the previous video that we are going to start Photoshop along with Adobe Illustrator and Adobe After Effects. So this is the first video on Photoshop. I hope you have downloaded Adobe Photoshop in your laptop or PCs. In this video we will see the interface of the Photoshop. So let's get started. In front of you, this is welcome screen of Photoshop. To go to the interface, click on this Photoshop icon on the left side of the window. I'm clicking on it and you can see here is our interface. On the top you can see the main menu in which you can find file, edit, image, layer and other options. Here in the left side of the window you can see a lot of tools. This is called Toolbar. You can change the style of this toolbar by clicking on this double arrow and it will change its view. You can see a lot of tools are here. There is text tool, zoom tool, pen tool. These are the tools which we have already learned in the Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. But we will discuss these tools in this Photoshop series also. On the top here you can see property panel. If you click on any tool from the toolbar, like I am clicking on pen tool, you can see the property panel has changed its properties according to pen tool. And if I click on text tool again, it will change its properties according to type tool. In the properties panel you can see font, font style, and font size and color, and you can find other options here also. On the right side of the window you can see here are different panels. On the top you can see here is color panel. You can click any color from here. The next one is swatches panel. You can choose the color from swatches also. You can choose any gradient color from here. You can see a huge library of gradient is available in 2020 version of Photoshop. You can use these beautiful gradient colors in your project and make it more attractive and beautiful. The next one is pattern. We will definitely use these patterns in our future lectures. Here in the middle you can find the learn panel, libraries. Here you can see adjustment panel. This is used to enhance the color of our image, like brightness and contrast, hue, saturation, black and white. This panel gives life to our dull images. From this panel you can enhance your photos tone, color and hue, saturation and make them more beautiful and give them life. In the bottom you can see here is layers panel. If I click on it, it will be open. Now it is empty because we didn't create any layer. In the next video we will create layers. So this was the overview of interface. You can change the setting of these panels, like if you grab this panel you can adjust it anywhere on the artboard. If you don't like this setting and change it like it was before, simply go in the Windows from the main menu, click on workspace and go to reset essential. It will send back all the panels to its sweet home. In the next video we will learn how to create layers. So this is all for now. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.